Let's explore. Good morning.
Morning.
Today we're heading to Cervantes. We've stopped at Yanchep at a cafe on the way for a bacon and egg roll and a cuppa before we go up to the majestic Pinnacles and a few other things around the area. Good brekkie, Phil?
Very good.
So, Phil, how did you find the drive up to Cervantes?
Yeah, pretty good. Very hot outside.
It is. We're heading into the Pinnacles. $15 per car per day, and you can come in and out as you please. We're heading to the gift shop to buy some sunscreen and probably fire spray. There's beautiful boardwalks and stuff near the gift shop and gallery. In the Discovery Centre, there's loads to see, and it's cool. Show me your new hat. Do a walk and a drive and an explore now, and then come back and show you sunset. We're praying for a beautiful sunset today. We're walking up to the Pinnacles viewing platform behind the Discovery Centre. This is part of the Coral Coast, and here we are coming into the overview of the Pinnacles Desert. How amazing is this place? We are going to get in the car and go for a drive round. So this is our third
visit, yep.
Third visit for you, fourth visit for me to this amazing spot. I was not going to come back to WA and not come up here. I kept saying it wrong. What's the name of this national park, Phil?
Nambung National Park.
Okay, I thought we were going to Nuremberg. Totally different
Germany.
Country. We're going to head back to the car, get in the car and go for a drive. We're doing the Pinnacles drive. As you can see, it's got a well laid out track that you follow and little pull away bays where you can stop so that you can walk through and have a look at all the different rock formations. There's something about this landscape that just blows me away. So, let me know your favourite place to visit. Put it in the description below.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now
There's a pull away. I see that one standing straight up. No, that one there. I think that's the one we got the family selfie with the camera on the tripod. Yep.
dreamy, breezy, we go easy.
So the North Spur is a one-way road, and two-way, but it's a one-way road. So be prepared to lay over and thank the people coming in the opposite direction with a wave. How spectacular is that?
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
The first time we came here, this one here, we named Jacob's Gate.
We lose track of time.
This drive through in the middle of the day was really just to get reacquainted and to enjoy the Pinnacles, and we've done that. How long would you say, Phil?
I've been over an hour.
Yeah, it's really easy just to take in all the little villages. It's just fascinating, like you wouldn't think. Bits of, what is it, limestone? Limestone sticking out of the ground would catch your imagination, but it does. And I'm in my happy place. This is Jurien Bay. It's got a couple of caravan parks, lots of chalets. and a jetty. These huts can actually be used for change rooms. We've driven from Perth up to Cervantes. It's about around 200 k's depending on what route you take, and you're looking at anything from 2 to 2.5 hours for the journey, and that will take you pretty much to the Pinnacles. And then Jurien Bay is about another 15 to 20 minutes further north from there. Thetis?
Thetis.
Yeah. What are we going to see here?
Stromatolites.
Yeah. We did, as you guessed, most of these places we've been before. And we did come here thanks to Bill Bryson. He wrote a book called Down Under, and before we did our massive trip in 2007 with the kids, we both read the book. And we ended up with a list of places, thanks to Bill, that we needed to visit. So here we are at Lake Thetis and the Stromatolites. The ones in the foreground here are actually damaged. Place that's got something that's ancient, something that's old, something that's precious, don't throw rocks at it, please. It's pretty awesome as the shadows are going longer around them, hey?
Yeah, it is. I think that's what adds to the atmosphere.
Yeah.
The light and the longer shadows. Adventure at the Pinnacles, give us a thumbs up, and if you're really liking it, why not subscribe to our channel so you can follow more of our adventures.
is it?
Very nice. Yum.
What have we got? Chicken skillet chicken.
The mushroom creamy sauce. Mashed potatoes.
Bill's enjoying it. I'm going to dig in. We just enjoyed dinner at Cervantes Bar and Bristo, and we're going to go home, back to the hotel and chill for the rest of the evening. As always,
Thanks for joining us.
travel brilliantly. Bye.
Bye.
If you liked what you saw today, why not check out the rest of the WA playlist or find us on social. Until next time.